Hello everyone, routing in React.js. I'm going to use this npm package React Router DOM. Here I already created a React project and also I'm running this project, and install this package. I already installed. So now I'm going to create a browser route, and it's imported. Here I'm going to close it and I'm going to cut this and paste after this div. Inside this div I'm going to create routes. Routes is also imported here. Inside routes I'm going to create route. Here path, initially it's home page, and also I'm going to display element. Here I'm going to display here I already created a component 1 and 2. Okay, and I'm going to display a component 1 here. It's imported here. Also I'm going to close it, and also I'm going to duplicate this for one more time. This is page 2, okay, or page 1, okay, and here I'm going to import the component 2 here. It's also imported. As I save this, go to browser, we got home page. It's in home page we are displaying the component 1. If I change this URL into page 1, we are displaying component 2 here. This is routing. I'm going to use a link. We are not going to change this link manually. If I click button, path will change. Here after this I'm going to create a link. It is home, and here 2 is empty string because it's home page, and I'm going to duplicate this for one more time. This is page 1, and here I'm going to copy this path and paste it here and save this and go to browser, refresh this. I'm going to add a break here. Save this. We have home page. Okay, if I refresh this, it's already in home page. If I click page 1, it navigate to it's displaying component 2. Okay, if I again click home page, displaying component 1. That's it. This is what I tried to tell in this video. Bye bye.